Morning ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4 back here again. We do have a special one for you today. MGU9s are coming through now as they are delivered into the country. And good news for us, we've got a canopy available for them. And I think we're still the only people in the country that have got a canopy for them. So if you want one for yourself, you know who to contact. Anyway, we're going to go through the fitment process of the canopy today. Good news for us, they are very, very similar. In fact, somewhat identical to the LDV Terran 9. So if you're a Terran 9 owner, this video will be applicable to you guys as well. Other than that, let's get into it.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Excuse my get up, I'm going to Combank after this to draw a 20. Here we have an MGU9. We've put this fiberglass canopy on, full velvet liner on the top. We've got that interior light. Customer's option the pop-up windows on the side, not the sliding. Obviously we can get sliding for you guys if you prefer. Central locking on this rear door here. It does work with the key. Unfortunately, I don't have the key with me. Customers also optioned this one with some roof racks. As you can see, we can do roof racks, platforms, anything you want. We could put the Star Destroyer on there for you if you'd like. If you want something like this, if you have an LDV, Terra 9 or MG, it suits both of them. You give us a call, can do any colors, can do any variations. 0296278666. Give us a call anytime and we'll sort you out with a beautiful canopy just like this. And I'm a beautiful man underneath this mask as well, but nobody knows who I am.
And you, Matt?